What's up, guys? I hope you're well. Today we're checking out Diana, Wounded Sounds. Ooh, let's get into it, shall we?
Смотри, какие фразы на мне блестит до переплава колье кипит, дыхание только боль. Я путала тебя с собой. Эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты спаси меня. Не забыла меня, мне страшно простоять без огня. Колючий город режется, сгорает подо мною боль. Эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты спаси меня. Хорошо, тут нет слуха, раненые звуки. Я не стану копаться, выможу руки. Хорошо, тут нет слуха, раненые звуки. Я не стану копаться, выможу руки. Эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты спаси меня.
Wow, I like that a lot. That was good, fun, entertaining. I didn't realize it was that short. I'm like, okay, let's wait for the next drop. I'm like, and the drop was the video ending. But very, very enjoyable as always from Diana. She's great. She is so talented, and just the range that she has, the versatility that she brings is absolutely amazing. And her lyrics are usually deep, sometimes dark, but they're always deep and like with great meanings. And another banger from her. Sorry, I had to mute my dry throat. It's like the humidity here. The humidity outside is 40%. Inside my house, it's only 27%, so it's a little dry. All right, back to the song. Back to the Future. I absolutely adore Diana, and I'm very happy to have found her, or perhaps we'll backtrack. She was recommended to me. Her music was recommended to me like 3 or so years ago, and I'm very happy, and I feel blessed to have her fantastic music in my life and be able to sit here and check out her new songs with you guys, and maybe some of her old songs with you guys, and interact with you all in the comments. I am so very thankful for each and every one of you guys. Earlier this week, the Chadeo channel hit 10,000 subscribers, so thank you guys so freaking much. Should have a celebration here soon. Maybe today, maybe next week. I'm not sure. It's going to be a last minute thing when I do it, but you guys are amazing. You guys are fantastic. As I said, I enjoy interacting with you guys in each video and kind of getting to know you guys through the comments all over the world. I have a map of the world, and surprisingly, every continent has a little thumbnail in it, including Antarctica, because I had friends who did a cruise from Argentina down to Antarctica, and I had them, watch one of my videos down there from the Wi-Fi from the ship, And it's just amazing to look at here at the map and amazing to see where all of you guys are from all over the world. It's very special to me to have you guys in my life, and special to me to be able to interact with you guys each and every day. That being said, I want to thank you all for watching each and every day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.